Hello dear friend, how are you? I hope you will be fine and doing well. Today I am showing you how to we will be work on user login security systems. So I already sent to you a half project, and I will be doing to and showing to you how it work and how we will be and how will be customized ourselves. So this is the project. I have already opened this project. I click on it, and just I am showing you how to user login system. First of all, I am opening this form user login. Okay. First of all, admin and admin. That's okay. First of all, if admin is login, then message appeared on us that welcome to admin. Okay, and this is the admin panel. Okay, and create a user login. This is your user login form. It will be connected with the employees form because this is a different form because you have 10 employees in your company, and 5 employees will be working on your 5 terminals. Then you will be selected employees in your selected employees here. First of all, Kashif, and second employee is Yunus, and third employees will be selected on here. If you have a registered employees, then you will be selected employees and click on it. Your second employees will be perform on your terminal services, and they will be accessed on your terminal. And if you have not selected employees and disselected employees, they will be not working in this on this your terminals. So this is a different form, and different rules will be performed on it. So I am I am creating a form for accountant. Okay, so I close it, and I this close and showing to this is a employees form, employees table. Just I am showing to here third person, means that Asif and number and so on. So he belongs to Canada. Okay, done. It belongs to Canada because it has no because he has no user rules, and this is a user already maintained, and this is already maintained. No user will be maintained over here. If you want to use the different name, then it will be type on it. But if you have already logged user login on here is 4 logins and 2 will be performed perfectly okay. Then you will be click on 3 number 3 here, and this username will be assigned on your employee accountant. So I am showing you how it is work. Just refresh on it, and this is work perfectly working on undersigned username. User ID will be sorry, employee ID, employee foreign key will be belongs to primary key will be belongs to login. Employees employee login employees primary key will be belongs to employee foreign key. Okay, and I'm showing you database tool relationship, and this is a simple relationship. Okay, it will be okay. And because role ID is already on it, and foreign key, this is the primary key and this is the foreign key. This is the primary key and this is foreign key. And how it works, because we will be doing user ID, and we will be assigned the role of user ID. So I am close it. I have to close all forms and open main form again. Welcome, and create user login. Okay, and going to third form, this is already belongs to Mr. Asif because he is accountant. If you use accountant, administrator or manager, it will be depend on you. Okay, and I am showing you how to we will do CMD maximize command. How can we use the command on it, because already I am going to here model. I am yes, okay, this is a okay model, because model will be belongs to on your front end database. It means that IDM form will be connected on all forms in IDM main forms, including in main forms. If you want to use the pop-up forms, then your model form will be belongs to single forms and loading on single regular form as per this form, as per border. So I will be belong this is a dialog box, is it's okay, well, and I'm showing you how it work. Pop-up yes, and when I will be click on it, then pop-up is a single form. I'm showing it will be showing to us a single form. It's okay. If you want to use a do CMD command, open, then event okay overload, you will use to do CMD dot maximized. This is not good because I have to good I want to like this model form. I want to like model form. Yes, this is okay, model form, because model form showing the data already on my screen controlling the IDM forms. So this is I'm showing you open form. This is a okay. It is working okay. Yes, okay. And you will be design and same like that event and sorry click event. I'm going to just form, sorry, click on it and event to procedure. Here I am going to do cmd dot maximize. It's perfect, okay. Yes, okay. And I'm click on pop-up yes, okay, and okay, this is okay, done. And I'm showing you how to many tables will be working on it. How is it means it means that if you have a company name, then you will design a company table. First of all, company ID, auto number, company title, short name, address, okay. And also and you have if you want to do in this table, because I am just telling you about as a knowledge. So this is a company table, gen underscore company info, done. And just you have to use a logo according to attachment. If you want to use attachment, then attachment, otherwise you will click on it on picture format, okay. If you want to use a picture here Sorry, just I'm telling you short text here, picture location done, and it's okay, done. And just you will be showing to you company name, uh, info tech soft solution, address Pakistan, and what is your location, logo location. I was just telling you how it is work. I am going to my logos, VBA, data tools, and logos. Here here's my this is my logo. Okay, this is icon and this is my logo. So this is a location. Just I was type on HZ gym logo, HZ gym logo PNG. This is a perfect format, and okay, copy, and I am paste on it. This is my logo. Okay, and if you want to use a logo on your login form, then you will be used a picture format. Here you going to, this is a picture image, you click on it, drag your picture on it, cancel, and showing the name of logo image, and going to event procedure, and just here on loading, just here on loading, me dot image, logo image dot picture equals to d lookup under codes, sorry, codes, picture location, going to, sorry, going to Jan underscore company, and underscore where company ID comp ID equals to comp ID. This is okay, and I am showing to you how is it work. Wait, I am just showing to you what's the problem here. Okay, stop it and zoom. Okay, controls. Okay, and what's the problem with us? Here is a company info. Sorry, I have a problem on here. So then I'm going to again loading form, and this is the problem, gen company information. Okay, and it will be good and doing well. And this is logo. your logo on here. And same like that, if you want to use a logo on your dashboard, that will be used to you. Here I'm doing close and I'm going to design view. Here I'm using the logo, so like that, that's a logo. I'm copy and paste on it here, and I'm doing the code same like that. Copy, same code will be copy and paste on there. This is your main form, and going to loading form. This is your loading form, and doing to on this, do this. It's perfectly working. So first of all, I am using the form admin and admin. Okay, this is perfect. So you want to use a company name and text on it. This is your text format, and you want to be use the text company name as you like that, or you will be make on label. So I'm just showing to you a label, a triple X, like that, X format, and doing to 20, and okay. This is okay. On anchor format, going to this format is belongs to stretch to top, and label like that, underscore title, and you are going to be on event procedure, and here me dot logo, label dot title dot caption equals to like that. This code paste here, and just change your name, company title, done. Okay, close, and showing to you this is a info soft solution. It will be working perfectly with you as my code. So, and I hope you will be better understand my code, and I send to you open source project. First, one thing you asked to me about that, your front end and back end code, how you will be your VBA code protected. So simple like that. You want to go to there in VBA code on click procedure, then you will be preference. This is your login properties. Okay, here your document, user, security, system, and protection lock. Okay, 1 2 3 and 1 2 3. Your front end will be perfectly protected. Okay, if you want to close this all document, then you will be okay. After closing, I'm showing to you how it is work. If you want to if you want to go to design view and click on it, and it will be asked to you about that, what is the password of your VBA. If you want to type the password, your master password, then then code will be showing to you 1 2 3. Okay, then that is code, your code. Okay, this is your protected right way, going to preference, tools, protect, and if you want to remove your password, I remove and remove. Okay, all okay. So then after closing, then you will be okay. Okay, so that your login system will be unprotected. That is okay. Okay, this is a simple way to use to different your systems. So dear friend, if your code if not is not working on this form, please don't mind and don't be hesitate about this, because this is my local system and data will be stored on my local system. Okay, this is company information, this is my local data. If it is not open to of there, then you will be delete and change location of your system local path, then your logo will be shown on it here. And simple like that. If you want to use a username, this is a syntax is missing because user ID is not belongs to, so we will be going to and stop. I am going to user login, then it will be working well. User 2456, okay, and okay, no error. Okay, and here's the issue I want to describe to you, because what is this? Okay, I hope you are understand well, and if you have any question, then ask to me what is this and what is that. Okay, this is for you. I am closing the software and showing to you. Okay, thanks friend, thanks so much.